Hindi lamang ang kamao ang magaling, marami ding angas at yabang sa katawan ang Ukrainian pound-for-pound boxer na si Vasily Lomachenko. Ito ang ilan sa kanyang mga paandar. Taong 2017, nakakalaban ni Lomachenko ang Colombian boxer na si Miguel Mariaga. Matapos mapabagsak si Mariaga, may pagyayabang pang tinawag ni Lomachenko si Mariaga sa isang corner para doon sila magkupakan. Ikinudo na ni Lomachenko ang pang-aasar ng kuminding-kinding pa ito.
First knockdown. He says, come on, I'm going to sit right here in this neutral corner. You come to me. Look at this. Loma waving him in. Wide right hand from Mariaga. Dancing in his face. He's a spider telling the beetle, come on in. Boy, oh boy, is he entertaining. He says, let's make a fight of it. Knockdown scored, antics played, Vasily Loma.
We talked about it, we showed in the breakdown on film earlier where Lomachenko was to his right and throw the left hand.
As you said.
That's where he needs to go, downstairs to the body.
Mariaga finding himself off balance for a moment, and look at Lomachenko again. Lowering his guard, putting his face forward.
April 2017, nang makalaban naman ni Lomachenko ang Puerto Rican-American na si Jason. Parang ginawa itong toro ni Lomachenko dahil sa pasubsob na pagsugod ni Sosa. At ginagaya pa ang mga suntok. Lakas talaga makasar.
Lomachenko mocking Sosa now. This started at the end of the last round.
At nang maupakan sa bodega ni Lomachenko si Sosa, inasar na naman.
Another beautiful shot right to the breadbasket. Sosa looks up at the video board and he looks disconsolate as he comes to his corner.
November 2015, nang makaharap ni Lomachenko ang Mexican boxer na si Romulo Kawasika. Tindi ng paandar dito ni Lomachenko, parang bata lang ang kalaban.
And look at this. Look at the way he moves, making this guy miss. Stuff by Lomachenko. Winds up, lets it go. Uppercut. All these punches are landing. This is classic.
Walters is completely confused.
Lomachenko's only picked up the pace.
Lomachenko dropping his hands. And how many fighters would drop their hands in front of Nicholas Walters?
In front of the Axeman.
It's amazing to watch what this man can do.
Nicholas Walters is straight right hand away. Like that right there.
Oh my God, I mean, he's toying with Nicholas Walters.
This is amazing.
What's going to be really funny is the next time. Look at this. Oh, he can clown anybody. Know that he's got a pin and say, you know what, I'm just going to turn right around you in the middle of a championship fight.
Noong May 2015, hinarap ni Lomachenko ang Puerto Rican na si Gamaliel Rodriguez. Dito sa labang ito, maraming low-blow ang suntok na ginawa ni Lomachenko.
Lomachenko went that round so big, Jim, I had a score of 10-8.
Lesser fighters has worked just fine. And he's not fighting down.
To be honest, I would take issue with that last warning. I don't think Rodriguez has done that to the point where it would be that.
There's another low blow.
There you go.
That's Lomachenko.
His father gave him a good bit of advice in the corner, told him not to go out and try to knock the kid out. Just box him, work the numbers, work the competition.
So yan lamang po ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo ngayong araw sa mga kababayan at kaibigan natin dyan sa Pinas, mga boxing fans, at mga tulad kong OFW sa mampanig sa mundo. Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? Kung nagustuhan nyo po itong aking video, paki-like, at kung po pwede rin po, mag-subscribe na rin po kayo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Shout out kay Minandro Domingo ng KSA, Emilita Asuncion, Lloyd Flores, Telmo Yugrapia Jr., Mangra TV ng KSA, Jemar Villanueva, Joven TV, Saptroy Gaming, Ed Manyalag, Aris Roas ng Arayat Pampanga, Pilmari Rioboca and Family, Michael Carrion ng Digos City, Yuri Malitok, Kevin Jimenez, John Peter, Rex Anthony Narciso, Josel, Wilson Acop ng Jerusalem, Nerio Morcia, Jonas, Jed Coranis Tabilla, Alan de la Fuente ng San Mateo Rizal, Billy Jubildad ng Taguig at Pampanga, Bobby Ongsuico, Alvin Tolosa, Vladimir Bixrak, Arnel Tongala, at kay Mr. Ryan Cometa. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta nyo sa aking channel.